Create two map objects using the Create Point button. Rename this object if you want. Now you have to drop this objects to special slots. In order to make an arch, change the height parameter of the path. You can change position of map object at any time. Arc route type allow you to change arc height, thickness, color and many other settings. Of course you can edit setup route object icon. Or you can change type route object to arrow or your custom object. At the beginning and at the end of the path, the object will automatically scale. You can control this animation through a special graph. Switch to custom route type and you can create much more complex path. You will see that the path now exactly follow the landscape. Now the height parameter is responsible for the displacement of the entire path. Let's change our route object to text and change orientation mode. You can change it in special text field. This route object type have many parameters. Play with that. Switch back to arrow type. You can smooth out this path to get a route like that of a drone that will follow the contours of the terrain. Let's add new map points. Now you can add it to special list. Now route change direction. This way you can create air or ground paths using map points. You can also change the path itself from straight to curved by switching a special parameter. You can create up to 10 paths on the map. Also, you can create route using your null object, for example. You must drop this object under your object's null for proper operation. Now drop it to additional point list. You will see what route project to terrain. You can change it by turning off surface follow parameter. Now we create correct air route. Of course, you can set linear or smooth path. Project type non-linear workflow, and you can change parameters at any time. Also, you can attach any object to route object. I used constraint tag and copy route point and paste it to target field. Object will be attached to route object. Thanks for watching.